You have to be for good luck. Everybody's splashing it.
Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. We are leaving Bangkok today and heading to Chiang Mai for 3 days. Yeah, babe?
Yes. 3 nights.
So today we're going to sort of check out the downtown, maybe go up to the local mountains, some more of the temples. We'll see. We don't really have much of a plan, but let's find what we do in Chiang Mai. Alright, so we made it through security, made it through check-in really quick. It's Saturday morning, about 9:30 right now, and we made it through the entire check-in process and security in not even a half hour. Really, really fast. And now we're going to go to the lounge. They have a Bangkok Airways lounge here, which is part of our priority pass. God, all these lounges are a must. You have to have access to them if you travel a lot like we do.
So we are going to get splashed today. We are all ready. So let's go get splashed. Let's go see some temples, something to do. This is our hotel. And we're out. We are out in Chiang Mai. We're in the old town, but at least it's a very hot day. So even if we get splashed, we aren't gonna have any problem, are we? This door, it's so beautiful. Look at that, the whole building. So cute. So now we're going to what? In Thang Kin Sadwe Monk Temple before we get splashed. Here they are, splashing people. Now we're going to the temple before we get splashed. There's a cute temple. So cute. Look at this temple. I love the temples, they're so cute. Especially these ones with the lanterns.
Chiang Mai is just such a beautiful city. We walk around and you just run into temple after shrine after temple. And right now they're in how do you say the name of the festival? Songkran. I'm not saying that right, but they're all decorated and all the extra decorations, just so beautiful. It's pretty nice. A bunch of the temples have these little QR codes that you can scan. It'll give you the highlights and tell you something about all the temples. Let me go find Chris. She's busily taking a million selfies and trying to avoid all the water fights. We found a little parade going by. A lot of splashing, so we're gonna go check out this little parade down here we just saw. So what is it, like 4 in the afternoon and 5 in the afternoon? We're just sort of randomly walking around Chiang Mai, just seeing what we find to do and see. Bunch of bars, some restaurants open, lots of people splashing each other for the festival. Chris found a massage place. Oh, I guess this is where the party is.
you get good luck. So everybody's trying to splash.
Good luck.
You have to be for good luck. Everybody's splashing it.
We're hungry, so we went for lunch, and this restaurant was right here. You can see the parade going on. You can hear the parade going on outside. Super cool. The name of the restaurant here is 92 Rach Dam Neon. I'm butchering that. And as you can see, the prices up here in Chiang Mai are way cheaper, right? Like yellow curry, 90 baht. Almost everything's 90 baht. Like
We find some 200 something.
90 baht's like not even $3. Less than $3. French fries, not even $3.
How much is my French fries?
60 baht.
$2
Bunch
for
of salads, all sorts of different things. Cashew chicken, 90 baht. Even simpler things. Stir-fried chicken with basil rice, only 60 baht.
So the orders start coming. I have my pad thai already. And then we got spring rolls. So let's try it.
Alright, let's see what we ordered. I got a chicken yellow curry, side of rice, some gyoza, some spring rolls. Chris got chicken pad thai. How is it?
Guess what? It's pretty good. It's actually better than the one yesterday.
Good? It looks nice and fresh.
But the egg rolls are not the same.
They're a little different. I like them, she doesn't. But every single one of these dishes was no more than 90 baht, or about $2.50.
At the pharmacy here, babe. Wow, so many more cars. The parade is still going.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
You in the hotel pool?
Yeah, it's funny here. I'm by myself. I'm having fun floating here all by myself. And
So-
they're eating.
It's cute. It's this little... So this is the B building and the A building of this hotel, and there's this little hidden courtyard with the pool. It's really nice. Like a little sanctuary right in the middle of the city.